When we don't have the right tools, our precious time and energy can be wasted. But the right tools are hard to find, so we created them ourselves. A set of precision-engineered daily essentials that save time and energy by simply working as they should. If you lost your cards, you'd be having a bad day. That's why the Bastion card case has 3 anti-slip compartments that hold your cards firmly in place, and a robust clip that keeps it secured in your pocket, so it won't fall out when you're not looking. Our Type 22 55 shades feature a durable, lightweight frame with heavy-duty integrated hinges and custom-made, scratch-resistant lenses, so you can shove them in your pocket and not worry about breaking them. Make your writing meaningful again with the Recon 4 fountain pen. It has a hand-ground, custom-tuned nib, making it the smoothest pen we've ever used. The knife is the most important tool in human history, so keep the Diplomat 12 at your desk for when you need to open that parcel, fix that thing, or lose your sharpener. Having the Type 6 pocket comb to hand means it's easier to stay looking sharp wherever you are. Made from our durable technical nylon and features ergonomic ridges for a sure grip. For over a year, the Life tools have been meticulously engineered in CAD, extensively prototyped, and refined until they are the best they can be. They're 3D printed in London using state-of-the-art powder bed fusion technology, and then carefully hand assembled and finished. Our signature styling and attention to detail goes into every one. All of this means you can spend less time looking for products that work and focus on the important things like working hard and going on adventures. So get the right tools, live your life.